here's how you use your fusion system. Now, go ahead, hit the little arrow with the circle, and you will have your inputs. You can use FM, aux 1, front TV, or Bluetooth. Now, if you select FM, you will have your radio stations ready to go. Just use your knob to go up and down on volume, or just press it to mute. On Bluetooth, go ahead, select Bluetooth. Select the 3 horizontal lines, Bluetooth connections, and you'll have your 3 options here. Which discoverable is to find devices once you have the check mark up and going. Pair devices if you already have devices saved up. And remove devices if you want to delete instantly.